In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Adobe subscription via student discount. Let's get you set up from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Adobe. In the results, click the official Adobe link that takes you to the Creative Cloud page. This is where all the apps and plans live, including the discounted option for students and teachers. On the Creative Cloud page, look for the Start Free Trial button and click it. This takes you into the purchase flow while still honoring the student discount. Don't worry, you'll see the discounted pricing during the process as long as you choose the student option. Next, choose your plan. Select the student and teacher plan for Creative Cloud, which typically includes all the major apps. Take a moment to review the price, whether you prefer monthly billing or an annual commitment, and check any notes about renewal pricing after the first year. When you're comfortable with the details, click Continue. You may be taken to a recommendation or summary page. Simply confirm what you picked and click Continue again to move forward. Now it's time to choose your payment method. Pick the option that works for you, such as a credit or debit card or another supported method in your region. If you're using a card, enter the card number carefully, then add the expiration year and the security code from the back of your card. Make sure the card is valid and authorized for online purchases. Enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your payment method. Consistent details help avoid verification hiccups. If you see fields for billing details, ensure they match your card's billing address. Double check everything to prevent declines or delays. Click Continue to Verification. For student discounts, Adobe may ask you to verify your academic status. Be ready to confirm with an eligible school email or an approved document, depending on what Adobe requests. Follow the on-screen prompts and submit the verification items clearly so the process completes quickly. Proceed through the next screens until you see the option to subscribe. Review the final summary one last time, plan, price, billing cycle, and any trial information. Then click Subscribe to finish. You should receive a confirmation, and from there, Adobe will guide you to install Creative Cloud and sign in with your account. A few quick tips before you go. Keep an eye on your renewal date, note any trial to paid transition, and save your confirmation for your records. That's it. You've successfully purchased Adobe with the student discount. Enjoy creating with your new tools.